Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Vanguard Cash Plus account and the main benefits it offers to individuals looking to manage their short-term savings. When managing your personal finances, finding a secure place to park your cash while earning a competitive return is essential. The Vanguard Cash Plus account functions as a high-yield savings alternative specifically designed to let investors keep their short-term cash and long-term investments unified in one place. One of the primary benefits is the competitive annual percentage yield offered through its bank sweep program, allowing your idle cash to work much harder than it would in a traditional brick-and-mortar bank savings account. Another major advantage is safety and security. Balances swept through the program to participating network banks are eligible for substantial Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation coverage, stretching up to $1.25 million for individual accounts and even higher for joint accounts, offering high-tier protection for large cash holdings. The account also excels in cost efficiency. There is a $0 minimum account balance requirement, 0 opening fees, and no monthly account maintenance fees. Furthermore, the small annual service fee is entirely waived simply by opting into electronic document delivery. Flexibility is built right into the platform. Users can easily execute electronic bank transfers, set up direct deposits, process mobile check deposits, and handle online bill payments directly. There are also 0 transaction limits on how often you can move your money, giving you complete liquidity without penalty fees. Finally, account holders gain the ability to seamlessly diversify their strategy by allocating funds into select low-risk money market funds or managing everything alongside their existing brokerage assets for a holistic financial overview. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.